ala or ring, right? So this is your iliac fossa. The rough surface here, what do you call this one? This is your iliac crest. If this is your anterior superior iliac spine, therefore this is your inferior iliac spine. This is your iliopubic eminence, pubic tubercle, and your symphysis pubis. This is your ischial spine and your ischial tuberosity. So this is your superior ramus and inferior ramus. This is your pelvic inlet. So what are the borders of your pelvic inlet? Your symphysis pubis, iliopectineal line, and sacral promontory. So the line here is your arcuate line. Well, this tama, arcuate line and pectineal line. Pectineal line, arcuate line. That's it.